Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite your friends in the Duolingo application to learn with them languages together. So let us begin. In the first step, launch the Duolingo application on your Android phone or on your iOS. I am accessing it on my Android phone, as you can see. After that, here on your home screen, tap into that smiling face icon here at the bottom to access your profile. After that, tap into Add Friends here, and on the next page, tap into Invite Friends below. And in the next step, choose your method. Like for example, you can invite your friends through your contact list by sending them text messages, or you may tap into more options here and select, for example, to invite your friends and family members, for example, via direct messaging services such as WhatsApp, for instance, via emails, Facebook Messenger, and so on and so forth. Alternately, guys, you may tap into Copy to Clipboard here to copy that invitation link to share it, for instance, with your friends via other direct messaging services, via emails, and so on and so forth. Your friends will then receive the invitation link via the selected method, so that they may join you in the Duolingo application to learn with you the same or maybe a different language together. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.